Hi, Pre-K. Today we're going to read a book called Bubbles. And here's Mr. Lovett. He wants to sit with you too. Now we're going to sit over here. And he's covering the mom's face. And he's Charlotte. Hey, he changed my face. No, Lovett.
All right, like Harrison said, we are going to read this book called Bubbles. And we're going to read it, and then I am going to have Harrison find certain words. And I'm going to ask him, I'm going to pick a sound, and he's going to have to find the word. All right, Harrison, are you ready for the challenge? Okay.
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, so the book we have is called Bubbles. Bubbles starts with the B sound.
Like balloon.
Like balloon. Yep, that's alliteration. So I'm going to read this first page to Harrison. Bubbles at the beach. I heard two B words. Harrison, could you tell us what are the two B words?
Beach bubbles.
Beach and bubbles. Nice job. Bubbles in the bath.
Bubbles bath.
You're right. Now I'm going to pick a different sound. We were just doing the B words like bubbles, beach, and bath. So I'm going to read the next two pages, and then I'm going to pick a sound, and Harrison's going to have to find which word. Okay, so listen carefully. Bubbles in the sink. Bubbles in my drink. Harrison, I heard one of the words started with the D sound. Can you tell us what word starts with the D sound?
Dish.
Ooh, dish does start with that sound, but here, I'm going to read it again. Bubbles in the sink. Bubbles in my drink. What word is that?
Drink.
Drink. Drink. Nice job. You found the word that matched the letter. All right, now I'm going to just read these next two pages. Bubbles in the clothes. Bubbles that I blow. Harrison, can you find the word that starts with the K sound? What is that word? Bubbles in the clothes.
Clothes.
Clothes. Very nice. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles everywhere I go. All right. We hope you have fun finding books in your home and then reading them with your family and talking about sounds and words and finding them in the book. So have fun reading. You want to say have fun?
Have fun.
Okay. Bye, Pre-K.
Bye, and Mr. Lovey says, bye with a big head.